Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in. It's W from EDCat Media. Look, if you're anything like me, you're always looking for free tools. Free tools to use for anything from school to editing your YouTube videos. We've built all kinds of free digital tools. So this is going to be a 4-part video. This is going to be about creating free QR codes on our EDCat website. Are you ready? Let's get started. First thing we want to do is come out to the EDCat website, and then up in the toolbar or down here in your free tools and resources, give it a click. It'll bring you out to our resource page. And as I said, they're all free. This video is on our QR code generators. So if we click on QR code, brings us out to the page and allows us to create 3 different types of QR codes: a URL, a VCard, and a Wi-Fi generator. We'll go through each one of those types of QR codes and you can see how you can apply them. So the URL code, you simply type in the website, www.edcatmedia.com. You pick the size. I have it defaulted at 300 by 300, but you can pick any size that you want. Now it'll also default at a square type. This is your standard QR code. We do have a circle, which is in testing right now. Play around with it. Give me some feedback down there in the comments of where you think you could use that, and then create the QR code. From here, simply download your QR code. Your second type of QR code is going to be your VCard. Well, let's go ahead and click that. Now again, this one here I personally use for my luggage tags. I created a QR code, I printed it out, and I added it to my luggage tag. So from here, we'll stick in here first name, my last name, whatever your occupation is, where you work. Now none of these fields are mandatory, so if you want to skip these, you absolutely can. You could simply put in here your first name, your last name, and your email address or your phone number. I like to use them all. Now, I'm just making these up, but that email address, edcatmedia@gmail.com, actually works. We'll put in here 555-55212. Again, your mailing address, it's not required. Then you click on create QR code, and there you go. And then from here, if you're using an iPhone, that's typically what I use. Once you scan it with your camera, you will be able to add that as a contact. That's another way to use these virtual cards as a business card. That way you could email it to somebody, or you could bring it up, they could scan it, it puts it right into their phone. And then from here, you can download. The last one we're gonna do is Wi-Fi. Now, this is how I use mine. The whole purpose on why we created this one was because here in the studio, or even at our home, when you're looking at your guests that come in, your visitors, they always ask for the same thing. What's your Wi-Fi code? Well, here you simply create and put your SSID in here, which is the name of your Wi-Fi. You put in your password. You pick if it's web encrypted, whatever your encryption type is. And then from here, again, you can pick whatever size that you want. You can make it small, you can make it large. Again, we'll default it at 400. And click on your create QR code and then download it. Then you can stick it on a flyer. You could post it wherever you want to post it. And then when somebody wants access to your Wi-Fi, all they simply need to do is take their phone and they go and they scan it, and it'll launch right in there and ask if they want to add it to their Wi-Fi. You say yes, and you're on the Wi-Fi. Pretty slick. And again, it's all free. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. We'd really, really appreciate it. It's a small thing for you, but it's a big thing for us trying to grow our YouTube channel. Well, that's it, gang. From here, you can create those 3 different types of QR codes. Again, absolutely free, as you've seen. There's no requirement. There's no minimum. There's no maximums. You don't even have to create a login. We just want to make sure that we provide you guys with not only great content, but also maybe provide you some cool tools. Okay, gang. Thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate it. Please click on the link above. The next video will be on word counters. Who doesn't need a word counter? Thanks again, everybody. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye now.